Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Chamonix. The train snaked through valleys, each turn revealing another picture-perfect scene. The rhythmic clatter of the wheels on the tracks was almost hypnotic, a soothing soundtrack to the ever-changing panorama outside the window. Journeyed deeper into the mountains, the landscape transformed, each new vista more breathtaking than the last. The valleys were like hidden gems, each one unique, each one telling its own story. It itself felt like an adventure, a prelude to the wonders that awaited in the heart of the mountains. Lush meadows gave way to forests, their slopes getting steeper and steeper. The vibrant green of the meadows was soon replaced by the darker, richer hues of the forest. We were traveling through different worlds, each one more enchanting than the last. The trees stood tall and proud, their branches swaying gently in the breeze. The forest seemed alive, whispering secrets to those who took the time to listen. The transition from meadow to forest was seamless, a natural progression that felt both inevitable and magical. The air grew crisp and cool, carrying the scent of pine and earth. It was a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of city life, a reminder of the simple pleasures that nature has to offer. The scent of pine was invigorating, a natural tonic that seemed to clear the mind and rejuvenate the spirit. The cool air was a welcome relief, a gentle caress that made the journey even more enjoyable. It was as if the mountains themselves were welcoming us, inviting us to breathe deeply and savor the moment. Destination: Chamonix, a charming town nestled in the heart of the French Alps. Known for its stunning scenery and vibrant culture, Chamonix is a place where adventure and tranquility coexist in perfect harmony. The town is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities from skiing and snowboarding to hiking and mountaineering. But it's also a place where you can simply relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. The blend of old-world charm and modern amenities makes Chamonix a unique and unforgettable destination. I was on a quest for adventure, eager to experience the magic of this mountain paradise. From the moment I stepped off the train, I was captivated. The crisp mountain air, the stunning scenery, and the vibrant energy of the town all combined to create a sense of excitement and anticipation. I felt like a child on the first day of summer vacation, ready to explore and discover all the wonders that Chamonix had to offer. The possibilities seemed endless, and I couldn't wait to get started. The moment I stepped off the train, I was captivated. The town seemed to buzz with a unique energy, a blend of laid-back mountain life and the thrill of outdoor pursuits. Every corner of Chamonix seemed to offer a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told. The locals were friendly and welcoming, eager to share their love for this beautiful place. It was clear that Chamonix was more than just a destination. It was a community, a way of life. The energy of the town was infectious, a blend of laid-back mountain life and the thrill of outdoor pursuits. The town square was bustling with activity, with people of all ages enjoying the fresh mountain air and the stunning views. Cafes and restaurants spilled out onto the streets, their tables filled with locals and tourists alike, all savoring the delicious food and the vibrant atmosphere. The backdrop of the towering mountains added to the sense of wonder, a constant reminder of the natural beauty that surrounded us. Towering above everything were the majestic Alps, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. The sight of these towering giants was awe-inspiring, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The mountains seemed to touch the heavens, their peaks glistening in the sunlight. It was a sight that took my breath away, a reminder of the incredible forces that shaped this land. The Alps were more than just a backdrop. They were a presence, a constant companion on this journey of discovery. I knew then that Chamonix was more than just a destination. It was a feeling, an invitation to explore the raw beauty of nature. Every trail, every path seemed to lead to a new adventure, a new discovery. The mountains, the forests, the meadows, they all called out to be explored, to be experienced. Chamonix was a place where dreams came to life, where the beauty of nature was a constant source of inspiration. It was a place that captured the heart and soul, a place that I knew I would carry with me long after I had left. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. Imagine a canvas painted with towering peaks, their rugged faces etched with the passage of time. Each peak tells a story, a narrative of geological forces that have shaped them over millennia. Snow-capped summits stand as silent sentinels watching over the valleys below. Blankets glistening under the sun's embrace. The rugged textures of these mountains, carved by wind, water, and ice, reveal the relentless power of nature. Glaciers, ancient and powerful, flow down their slopes like frozen rivers, reflecting the sunlight in 1,000 shades of blue. These glaciers are the lifeblood of the mountains, slowly but inexorably carving their way through the rock, leaving behind a landscape that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. The sunlight dances on the ice, creating a mesmerizing display of light and color that changes with every passing moment. These frozen rivers are a testament to the enduring power of nature, a reminder of the forces that have shaped our world. This is the breathtaking panorama that unfolds before you in Chamonix. Nestled in the heart of the French Alps, Chamonix is a place where the beauty of nature is on full display. The town itself is a charming blend of old-world charm and modern amenities, but it is the surrounding landscape that truly takes your breath away. The mountains rise up around you, their peaks reaching for the sky, creating a sense of awe and wonder that is hard to put into words. The star of the show, of course, is Mont Blanc, Europe's highest peak. Standing at an impressive 4,808 meters, Mont Blanc is a symbol of the majesty and power of the natural world. The snow-covered summit is a beacon, drawing climbers and adventurers from around the world. The mountain's sheer size and beauty are humbling, a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. Its majestic presence dominates the skyline, a constant reminder of nature's grandeur. The sight of Mont Blanc, with its towering peak and vast glaciers, is one that stays with you long after you have left. Chamonix. It is a place that inspires and humbles, a place where the beauty of nature is on full display. But Chamonix is more than just Mont Blanc. The surrounding mountains offer a diverse range of landscapes, each with its own unique beauty. From the jagged peaks of the Aiguilles Rouges to the rolling meadows of the Col de Balme, there is something for everyone in this mountain paradise. The diversity of the landscape is one of Chamonix's greatest strengths, offering a new and breathtaking view around every corner. Every direction you turn reveals another stunning vista. Aiguille du Midi, its needle-sharp peak piercing the clouds, is a sight to behold. This iconic peak is accessible by cable car, offering visitors a chance to experience the thrill of standing at 3,842 meters above sea level. The views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, with the entire Mont Blanc Massif spread out before you. The Mer de Glace, a vast sea of ice that seems to stretch on forever. This glacier, the largest in France, is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The mer de glace is constantly changing, its ice shifting and flowing as it makes its way down the mountain. Visitors can explore the glacier up close, walking through ice caves and marveling at the intricate patterns and colors of the ice. It is a place of wonder and beauty, a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our world. One of my most memorable experiences was taking the cable car to the Aiguille du Midi. As we ascended, the world shrunk beneath us, revealing the full scale of the alpine landscape. At the top, standing on a platform perched precariously on the mountainside, I felt a sense of awe and exhilaration. Another day, I decided to try hiking. Following a winding trail through meadows carpeted with wildflowers, I reached a pristine alpine lake. The air was so pure, the silence broken only by the gentle breeze and the sound of birdsong. It was a moment of pure tranquility, a chance to disconnect from the world and reconnect with myself. Chamonix, your gateway to the Alps. Chamonix is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering something for everyone, from seasoned mountaineers to casual hikers. There are countless trails to explore, each with its own unique charm. For the more adventurous, there's rock climbing, paragliding, and even ice climbing. But Chamonix is more than just an adventure playground. The town itself is full of character, with its charming streets lined with shops selling local crafts, cozy cafes, and restaurants serving hearty mountain fare. In the evenings, the town comes alive with a vibrant après-ski scene, finding inspiration in nature's majesty. My trip to Chamonix was more than just a vacation. It was a journey of self-discovery. Nestled in the heart of the French Alps, Chamonix is a place where the natural world reveals its grandeur in the most breathtaking ways. The towering peaks, the crisp mountain air, and the serene valleys all come together to create a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. As I embarked on my hikes, each step felt like a step closer to understanding, not just the world around me, but also myself. Surrounded by such immense beauty, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and humility. The sheer scale of the mountains and their timeless presence made me realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It was a humbling experience, one that made me appreciate the delicate balance of nature. Every sunrise and sunset painted the sky with colors that seemed too vivid to be real, and every moment spent in this majestic place felt like a gift. The mountains taught me about resilience, about the power of perseverance, and the importance of respecting the natural world. Climbing those challenging trails was not just a physical endeavor, but a mental one as well. Each ascent required determination and focus, reminding me that life's greatest achievements often come from pushing through our toughest challenges. From clear skies to sudden storms, was a testament to nature's unpredictability and strength. It was a powerful reminder that we must respect and protect these natural wonders. I stood on those mountaintops, gazing out at the world. Spread out beneath me, I realized that we are all just small parts of something much larger than ourselves. The vastness of the landscape, the endless horizon, being on top of the world, brought a new perspective to my life. It was a moment of clarity, where all the noise and chaos of daily life faded away, leaving only the pure, unfiltered beauty of nature. It was in these moments that I felt truly alive, connected to the earth and to something greater than myself. And in that realization, I found a sense of peace and connection that I had never experienced before. The tranquility of the dawn, the stillness of the mountain lakes, and the quiet moments of meditation. In nature, all contributed to a profound sense of inner calm. It was as if the mountains had a way of soothing the soul, of reminding us of the simple joys of being present in the moment. This newfound peace was not just a fleeting feeling, but a lasting change that I carried with me long after I left Chamonix. Chamonix, with its magic and majesty, had awakened something within me, a thirst for adventure and a deeper appreciation for the beauty of our planet. The experiences I had, the people I met, and the stories I heard all contributed to a richer understanding of the world. It was a reminder that there is so much more to explore, so much more to learn, and so much more to appreciate. Chamonix was not just a destination, it was a catalyst for change, inspiring me to seek out new adventures and to cherish the natural beauty that surrounds us every day. This concludes our tour in Chamonix. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Chamonix is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.